Hi viewers, welcome back to Tech Again videos. I'm pretty sure everybody knows the function upper and lower in Excel to convert the words into completely upper cases and completely to lower cases. And if somebody doesn't know, I'll just show you. It's just very simple, like you put in the formula upper and you show the cell value. It converts the complete words into uppercase. Similarly, for converting into lower cases, you use the formula equal to lower and you select the cell and press enter. Double click. So you can get the complete, in fact, the names. I have a set of names here, so it's completely turned into lower cases. But how to express the names in the actual standard way? That means like normally we represent names and titles in the way like the starting letter of the word will be capital or uppercase and the remaining words will be in the lower cases. This is a standard way we use to represent a name like a first name, a middle name and a last name. So how to use a formula to do that? It is also very straightforward and the formula or the function is called proper. So you put proper equal to proper and you select the name and you close the bracket. See what happens. The first word, the first letter of the word has turned capital or uppercase and the remaining ones have turned to lower cases. And the last name also same scenario. The first letter has turned upper cases and other ones are in the lower cases. So this is a very useful formula for people or data analysts who deal with lots of data containing names, where you represent the names in a standard way, like a first name, middle name, and a last name. In all cases, the first letter of the word will be capital in all the cases. So, hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and lots more is coming up. Thanks for watching.